There are only 3 ingredients for onion egg noodle soup. It is a very common and cheap home-cooked dish, and is rich in nutritional value. It not only softens blood vessels, but also reduces blood viscosity. Garlic and onions are considered to be superfoods that contain many heart protective benefits. Save and cook this healthy recipe for your family too. Ingredients are tomatoes, onion, fish balls, carrot, egg, and noodles. Cubes carrot. Peeled and sliced onion. Meatball cut half. Crack egg into bowl. Stir fry onion until translucent. Pour in egg and scramble. Pour 1 bowl hot water and let it simmer. Add carrot cubes. Add noodle, cook until softened. One teaspoon oyster sauce and chicken powder to taste. Add meatballs. Once meatball is cooked, off flame and drizzle sesame oil. Plate noodle. Time to enjoy onion egg noodle soup. This soup tastes sweet with onion and carrot, not oily at all, and it's delicious. Each scoop of soup with egg drop, it's really good. A bowl of hot noodle soup is really comforting. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like simple recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with 1 ingredient. Come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. Share this delicious recipe out also to friend and family too. Salt steamed oranges have the effect of treating coughs, but they are only for heat-related coughs and have no therapeutic effect on wind-cold coughs. After all, salt-steamed orange diet therapy for cough is a folk remedy, but it is not very effective in treating more serious coughs, especially children's coughs. Children's organs are relatively fragile and can easily cause pneumonia, bronchitis, and severe cough. In children are recommended to seek medical treatment in time. The orange peel must be washed, and it is recommended to soak it in salt water beforehand, which can have a certain disinfection effect. Cut off the tops of the oranges, like an orange cup. Sprinkle a little salt evenly on the orange flesh. Poke it a few times with chopsticks to allow the salt to penetrate, and insert a toothpick into the orange to secure it. Put it in a bowl, cover it with the cut-off orange top, steam it in a pot, and steam it for about 10 minutes after the water boils. Remove from steam pot, peel it and eat the pulp, together with the steamed water. Don't add too much salt, too much will taste bad. Light salt water also has an expectorant effect because the recommended daily salt intake for healthy adults is 6 grams. Eating too much salt can cause bronchial discomfort and even aggravate coughing. Generally, for an orange of 150-170 grams, about 1 gram of salt will be sprinkled into the pulp, which is equivalent to a 1/3 teaspoon. Spread evenly to facilitate the penetration of the salt. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all.